Hello there, welcome back to another tutorial. And I know it's been quite a while, so yeah, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade to JDA. I've been doing some work on other projects, but now I'm going to make sure, since I've got like only one exam left, I'm going to make sure I upload weekly now. I'm going to try to do, if I can, might do an episode on a weekday, but that might be a bit stretching. But I'm also planning on doing some new projects, such as make a tutorial on WebSockets, and even might go further and make a tutorial on how to make a wrapper like JDA. But for today's video, I'll be showing you how to update to the latest version of JDA 5, because I've decided like the new features are all coming on JDA 5, so I might as well update. So I've updated my own library, which is user JDA. So and you also you only need Maven Central now, since JDA has moved to Maven Central. So you need to change JDA basic to JDA5.basic and version 1.04. And the latest version of JDA, as we can see, is version 5.00 alpha 12. So it's still an alpha, but I've been using it for quite a while and everything is very stable. So you want to update to that version of 5.00 alpha 12. I'll post these two imports in the comment section below. And as usual, when there's always loads of changes, there are going to be loads of breaking changes. So so we're going to close this otherwise. So one of the biggest changes you might realize is I've changed a lot of things. So I've moved it from bot to JDA5. This is not JDA's change, but my change for the command handler. And for each handler now, I made some pre-separate. So we're gonna rename this to slash command handler. 1 second. Slash command. Oh, that might be confusing. That's right, slash handler. To avoid confusion, so change slash handler. And so when making a command, I've made something called a slash command extender. In essence, it was like if you go to like how you command, it was like slash command, but instead I've called it slash command extender. So you're gonna change that to slash command extender. And to queue and register a command, if you go into that class and it says queue and register slash command instead of queue and register command, because it's specified for slash command. And as you can see, we got loads of errors because we need to update it. So we need to do slash command extender. I've also changed the way we register a command. So instead of doing this now, we don't need a constructor anymore. And I've also changed the names of on slash command to match with JDA's on slash command interaction. So just copy everything, copy that and change that to event. So we can get rid of this. And the command builder is not, you return a new slash command builder, not new slash command, new slash command builder. And I also implemented a new permission setting. So set the name to whatever you name command. Set the name. Oh yeah, it's in the constructor. So ping replies with Pong. And I also use also, if you want to add any permissions, like set permissions, you have to build it. So I'll talk about the options in a minute. And after building, you can set bot permissions and set the command type if you want, and you can set it to guild only or owner only, but that's up to you. So I've kind of also changed the way it's set to guild only now, so we don't need any permissions for this command. But if you're wondering how do you check if we're missing any permissions, so if you go back to the handler and go into slash command handler and we scroll down to here, I've implemented a way where it checks if you can also set it owner only, but we don't need that in this video. It checks if video owner only is true and the bot owner ID is to the same as user ID. If it's not, it'll throw an error. Same is for user perms, but if you don't have any permissions, it won't check for this. And same if you don't have any bot permissions. If you haven't set any required bot permissions, so we can close this. And we can go to the how are you command, which also involves options this time. So we can just get rid of this, and we can, I don't know why I've done like this one. It's just in fix that quickly. Just get rid of this and just import everything. So import that. if you want if you don't want to like change everything, you can just do on slash command interaction, because JDA is has changed interaction. Implement slash command extender, so slash command extender, and implement on slash command interaction. So spell something wrong, just copy it, doesn't matter, just copy the code. So copy the code from the new one, because JDA is changing from slash command event to slash command interaction. Get rid of this and change event, and event. And as we did for, we don't even need the logger. I don't know how long we can get rid of the logger and get rid of this, get rid of all the import errors. So get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. And now if you want an option, so new slash command builder, not new slash, new builder, and we want to add, the name is how are you. So when I add the option of the add option, actually it's a choice, it was a choice, not option. So add choice, set choice, or was it set choices? I've not added choices. Choice. Oh yeah, it has a new option data. I completely forgot. New options. No, add option. Or was it add options? New option data. What have I called it? Or reply option. So reply. Oh, actually, you have to do option type. A bit rusty. It's a string. Into string, and it'll be reply option, because that's the name of it. Good or bad. If you want to make it compulsory, up to you. So it's similar now. It's true. And say true. And to add choices, add choice. So good. So good, and the value of good will be good, just good, and add choice of bad, and then you can just build it, and that's pretty much how that will work. And then I'll return once I've pretty much done updated all of them. So I'll be back. One more thing here, since we have implemented a way to check for the permissions, so we used to have if author, so all we need to do is now if rds when set perms, this is gonna be the user perms, not the bot perms, as I said, permission dot ban members, and we also add the bot perms, which it'll check the user perms and the bot perms. If either of them don't have an error throw, it'll basically send a message in the Discord server you don't have the correct permission. So we no longer have to do all this, so we can actually reduce the amount of code we write. So it's pretty handy, and we don't need the also bit anymore. So goodbye. So now purge command, you'll do the same for the purge command, you'll do the same for the kick command, and you'll do the same for the unbound command. So once I've basically migrated those to the new one, I'll be right back. As you can see, I've finished migrating all the commands to the new slash command extender. So yep, that seems it pretty much. So I've been tested this on another bot, and I'm pretty sure everything works. So it's pretty much, actually, and adding to that, if you check the listener adapter, so if you go to here and now actually slash command handler, and we go to here, go to listener adapter, we can see before it used to be slash command event, slash command interaction. So there's some name changes, and there's been a lot of change from the backend side, where the way you structure slash command has also been changed. So if you want to have a look at that, then I'll link the change log in the description below. So that's pretty much it to today's video. Have a great time, and peace.